Sa simple nga kinabuhi, bisan pa sa kalisod o kawadon sa kahimtang, naningkamot o nagpadayon aron mabuhi. Sa likod sa matag pahiyom, adunay istoryang puno sa paningkamot. Sa yanong pagpamaligya, diha nagsugod ang dakong paglaom. Alang sa kaugmaon, alang sa pamilya, ug alang sa pangandoy nga dugay ng gihandom. Sa kahilom sa balay, nipukaw ang paglaom.
Precious! Ate! Hi!
Gitudluan og nipadayon sa nakapahatag og kalipay.
Next one. 17, 18, 19, 20.
Makaya pa ba nako? Kung sa pagbuhi pa lang lisod na, unsaon pa kaha nako paglampos? Kaya ba? Mauna ba ni ang bagong oportunidad nga gahulat? Mauna ba ni ang rason nga magpadayon pagkapot sa pangandoy? Kaya kahana ko bayaran ng tuition fee? Makalahutay kaha ko sa pagskwela samtang nanginabuhi para sa akong manghud. Makasugakod kaha ko? Kaya ba ni nako?
Of course, here in Talisay City College, even a simple dream has the power to become real. An affordable but quality college education, TCC is the answer. No tuition fees, wide range of courses being offered, and a top-performing school. Not just that, Talisay City College proudly accepts senior high school graduates, all basic curriculum, ALS, transferees, and returnees. The BEd program is where passion for teaching meets hands-on experience. It's not all about learning, it's about preparing to make a difference. TCC's BEd program mainly prioritizing a student-centered learning, strong faculty support, and practical experience that prepares students from real-world challenges of teaching. At TCC, we believe every future teacher deserves the tool to succeed. Quiet corners, comfortable seating, and a growing collection supports every course. With a supportive learning environment and top-tier resources, TCC ensures every student is equipped for success in the classroom and beyond. Every corner is designed for growth. Every resources is here to help you succeed. TCC supports your journey. Start your journey and education today at Talisay City College. Together, we build a foundation that lasts. BEd at Talisay City College, where teaching begins with heart. Enroll now!